Hello everyone, I am Krishna Ghute, data science student. Recently, I had completed my studies and learning about the PHP XAMPP server for the web technology backend, and I am going to share it with you. Previously, I had completed my working with the CPP backend server. So let me tell you about my project. Basically, while learning that PHP XAMPP server, I had made this basic login and logout system. So I merged it with my this website project for the recipes. So this is basically login and logout project. Let me tell you connectivity. As I come in this signin.html, this signin.html that action is directing me to this signin process.php. Then this signin process.php's location is menu home.php. We can see here menu home.php. This is menu folder. This is home.php file, and this file is directing me to the index.html. This is my index.html. If I go on Chrome and if I check it, if I try to open that website with this shortcut, it would not open because I had not started my backend servers from the PHP control panel, which is MySQL and Apache. So I need to start this both servers. Okay, MySQL may be giving some error because of ports, but if I go and now check my website, if I reload it, it started working. Okay, let me tell you about this website. This is basically a recipe website for anyone who want to showcase his recipe. Also, he can showcase his YouTube videos here, like
मधुर
this
ऐक
is
ना
Madhura's
बोला की
श्रावण
recipe, very
संच सगळं
famous YouTube channel. Likewise, everywhere I had given link from previous button. Anyone come to anyone come to YouTube and see these recipes. This is about section where the owners, writers, and the team information is showcased. This is contact form. You can send a contact message and contact your name, message, and email from this form, which come to the backend. I will show you it further. This is working frequently asked questions. Like you can see this frequently asked questions, and this is logout button, which redirect me on this second folder. If I show you, uh, basically we need to keep all the files in this XAMPP folder in the htdocs. Otherwise, if we put our files in the desktop, uh, project will not work. This is my menu website folder where all the files are here, and this is my website for the login and logout system. So currently I'm in this login form. If I try to log in with pre uh, if I try to log in with pre sign up email ID, then I come to this website. But if I try to keep this, if I try with not login not login email ID, then it will give error. It will not log in. Email not register. Sign up here. Okay, but we are already signed up. So I just keep your password and come to the main website. Okay, then I had cleared you about the process and the path of these files. Now let me take you to the back end of these files. We need to come on the PHP my admin. This is a backend data storage for the website. This is menu DB and this is my DB. As I told you, I had two folders, two projects. This is sign in and sign up login logout system, which has this is my DB database where in the user it is storing all the email and passwords, and for this contact.php, for the contact form I had made this menu.db where in the contacts all the send messages are stored. If I show you a real example, this is Swadgar recipe. If I come to contact, try to keep a fake name, then give a already signed in the email, and here is my message. Just give random message, and if I send message, the message is sent successfully. If I come to backend and try to reload contacts, then there's this random name and then random messages came here with email id. Similarly goes with the email id. If I try to sign up from here, if I make this, if I take this email id, then password is sfs007. sfs007. Okay, sign up. Then registration is successful. Login now. If I try to log in with it, yes, fs007. Then login was successful. And if I show it on backend, that yes, and this password with encryption is come here. Uh, Most probably as a data science student. Also, here is a new path for me. Like from here, we can export CSV files. Uh, we can export all the data in the CSV or SQL file. If I try to export this data with CSV file, then it get exported. And if I open it, this is a Excel sheet. If I make a large, where if any user have a very large form, and he can take a survey from his website and send it to me for the analyze purpose of that data. So come to this topic. This is my working PHP Jab server. It is working from this backend, and this was all about this project. Also, I had made a blueprint how to make PHP Jab server. This was my first uh, initial understandings of CPP backend servers, and this is understanding of that XAMPP server. You need to install XAMPP, then check your system, on which system you are working. It may be Linux, Windows. This then open control panel, then start your SQL and both the servers. Then take your project to the this directory, that local host XAMPP, then htdocs, and here you need to place your folders of website. Then set up project like I have said you. Then create a database. Here you can come here. Then from here you can paste your code, or otherwise from here you can make a table. Like I had made this table with the SQL code, and then you need to run your PHP project from this PHP localhost myadminindex.php. As I am running this project, localhost menu index.html. This is a path which I had to convert in this, which I had to convert in this format, and then your project is ready on any port. This is all about my project. Thank you. Till the date, I had completed my CPP backend, uh, that XAMPP PHP backend, and in future I will work on the Python backend, and this is all about my future. This is about my future plan and past studies. Thank you.